Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a few tips about Excel. But before, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Alright, so let's jump into it. Okay, so the first tip I'm gonna show you is add multiple rows and columns at once. So I have this example here, and this is how to add multiple rows or columns at once in Excel. I'm gonna select these cells and columns and gonna right click in my mouse, and as you see here it says insert, and now you can choose table columns to the left or table rows above. So let's click on table columns to the left, and here we have them. As you see, this won't affect these rows and cells. And the other thing you can do is select this, and now repeating the process, select the second option, that is table rows above. Okay, so the second topic is apply filters to your data. So here in the same example, we are here on data, this option right here, and here it says filter. So you can also use this by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus L. But let's click here on filter, and as you see, now we have these options below. So we can sort this, for example, by color, from largest to smallest, from smaller to largest. And you can also filter your spreadsheet by selecting these checkboxes. Alright, so the next topic is remove duplicate entries with one click. So let's see, we have to open the data tab from the ribbon, then click on the remove duplicates button under tools. A new window will appear where you can confirm the data you want to work with. Of course, this tool is useful in spreadsheet with thousands of different values and numbers. Lastly, you can delete this empty row. The next tip is use conditional formatting. For conditional formatting, I'm gonna leave you a link to our video. Here's everything you need to know about conditional formatting. Import a table from the internet. So let's see how this works. We are here in home. We have to click on data and from web. Once you click it here, you can paste the URL from the website that you want to import the data from. Alright, so here we are. This is the sample data. We can click on load. And here we have it. And this is how you can import data from the web. The next step is speed up your work process with AutoFill. Okay, so using AutoFill in Excel, entering a series of repeated data gets tedious quite quickly. To combat this, use AutoFill. I'm gonna make this example with dates, but the thing you have to remember is that you have to select the cells you want to use as a pattern. Hover in the bottom right corner of a cell until the cursor turns into a black plus sign. Click and hold your mouse and then drag the cursor down while holding your click. You can also do it to the right. Alright, so insert a screenshot with ease. This is the number 7. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and click on insert, then pictures, and then this device. We're gonna select the screenshot that we've taken before, for example this one. And now by clicking on insert, we can place the screenshot in the spreadsheet. You can also create a screenshot at the moment by selecting screenshot here and then screen clipping. Now you're gonna select the part of the screen that you want to paste in the spreadsheet, and once you have it, you can place it in the spreadsheet, and you can also change the size of the screenshot. Alright, so add checkboxes to your spreadsheet. So did you know that you can add checkboxes to your Excel spreadsheets? Now you do. Here's how you do it. Make sure that your developer tab is enabled in the ribbon. Let's do that first. So right click here on the ribbon and click on customize the ribbon. Now here below customize the ribbon, we have here the option that says developer and is unchecked. So let's check this option and now click on OK. Now we have it here on developer. So click here. Now we have to select insert and now the checkbox. We can place it wherever we want, and this is the process you have to do to put that checkbox. Excel shortcuts. So I'm gonna leave you this in the description of the video. But basically you can select a column, a row, a new line in a cell, insert a current time, current date, hide a column, hide a row, or show or hide formulas by using these shortcuts. Then we have remove grid lines from a spreadsheet. If you want to completely blank canvas in Excel, you can remove the grid lines from any spreadsheet in one single click. Go to the View tab and then deselect the grid lines option in the Show section. Alright, so in the ribbon, select View, and now we have to uncheck this option that says Grid Line. And that's how you can do it. Alright, so the 11th tip is quickly insert a pivot table. You can learn about this in our previous video called Learn Excel Pivot Tables in 3 minutes. So I'm gonna leave you the link so you can watch this video right now and learn all you have to know about pivot tables. Alright, so the 12th tip is add comments to your formulas. It's just select where do I want to put my comment, and then I just press Shift plus F2, and here I can put my comment and it will appear with this little red arrow at the top right corner. And the last tip is draw your equations. So basically we have to go to the Insert tab in the ribbon, click on Equation, and then select Ink Equation. Write your equation inside the yellow box. So let's do that. We are here, let's go to Insert, and now Equation. And here we have Ink Equation. Select that, and now here you can write the equation you want, and the program will convert it into text automatically. And that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to keep watching and learning from our videos, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.